Welcome to TopNotch Countdown, where we bring you the most fascinating facts about the world's most incredible creatures. Today, we're diving into the slow, sleepy, and utterly adorable world of sloths. These tree-dwelling mammals are full of surprises, so let's not waste any time. Here are 10 interesting facts about sloths. Number 10. The slowest mammal on Earth. Sloths are famous for their slowness, and yes, it's not just a rumor, they're the slowest mammals on Earth. They average about 0.24 kilometers per hour, which means it would take them over a day to walk 1 kilometer. But this isn't a flaw, it's evolution in action. Their slow pace helps them conserve energy and avoid detection by predators like eagles and jaguars. Their fur blends into the trees, their movement almost imperceptible. It's not laziness, it's stealth. Crazy thought. While a cheetah can hit 100 kilometers per h in 3 seconds, a sloth might take 3 hours to move 100 meters. Number 9. Digestion at sloth speed. Sloths are masters of energy efficiency. Their metabolism is the slowest among mammals. Why? Because their diet is made almost entirely of leaves, which are tough to digest and low in nutrients. To adapt, sloths have a multi-chambered stomach like a cow, which uses bacteria to break down food very slowly. It can take up to a month to digest 1 meal. They also regulate their body temperature poorly, which is why they stay in warm, humid forests. Bonus fact here is sloths digest so slowly that honestly, they often carry about 1/3 of their body weight in food at any given time. Yeah, you heard that right. Number 8. Sloth fur ecosystem. What looks like green fur is actually algae growing on a sloth's back. And, that's not all. Sloths also host moths, beetles, fungi, and even beneficial bacteria. This living ecosystem totally helps camouflage the sloth, and may even provide nutrients. Sloths are often seen licking their own fur to consume the algae. Here, mind-blowing fact is some fungi found only on sloth fur have actually been studied for potential use in antibiotics and cancer drugs. So yeah, sloth science could save lives. Number 7. Kinds of sloths. Okay, so there are actually 2 major types of sloths out there. The 2-toed sloths known as Colipus, and the 3-toed sloths called Bradypus. Now, despite what their names might suggest, both types actually have 3 toes on their hind limbs. The real difference is in their front limbs. 3-toed sloths are smaller, they tend to be more diurnal, and honestly, they've got this goofy, smiling face that's pretty hard not to love. On the other hand, 2-toed sloths are a bit faster, they're larger, and they're more nocturnal. Here's a fun detail for you. 3-toed sloths can actually rotate their heads 270 degrees. Yeah, you heard that right. And it's all thanks to extra neck vertebrae more than giraffes, believe it or not. Number 6. The bathroom routine is strange. Sloths are honestly famous for their strange bathroom habits. They only poop about once a week, and when they do, they climb all the way down from the tree to do it. This behavior is super risky. Over half of wild sloth deaths actually happen during this trip. So you might be wondering, why do they even bother? Well, one theory is that this little ritual helps the moths living in their fur lay eggs in the dung, which keeps the whole fur ecosystem thriving. Basically, sloth poop equals a moth nursery. Weird bonus here. Did you know a single poop session can actually remove up to 1/3 of a sloth's body weight? Yeah, it's wild. Number 5. They are great swimmers. Surprise! Sloths are actually strong swimmers. They can move about 3 times faster in water than they do on land. And get this, they can hold their breath for up to 40 minutes by slowing their heart rate. During floods or heavy rain, sloths will sometimes let go of branches and just plunge into rivers, swimming to safety like total champions. Fun fact, those long arms might make them look like lazy dog paddlers, but in water, sloths are smooth, strong, and honestly kind of oddly graceful. Number 4. Prehistoric giants. Sloths used to be giants, literally. Meet Megatherium, the giant ground sloth that lived during the Ice Age. It could weigh up to 4 tons and stand 20 feet tall. These prehistoric beasts roamed across South America and even reached parts of North America. Unlike today's sloths, they lived on the ground and were herbivorous, tank-like creatures. Fossil note, their extinction is linked to both climate change and early human hunting. Number 3. Surprisingly tough and resilient. Don't let their sleepy eyes fool you. Sloths are tough. They can fall from heights of 100 feet, that's a 10-story building, and just walk away like nothing happened, thanks to their low body mass and strong grip. And if threatened, Well, they can bite and slash with claws up to 4 inches long. It's rare, but if cornered, they'll fight back. Here's a fun detail for you. Sloths have such a powerful grip, they can actually remain hanging from a branch even after death. Yeah, it's true a fact that totally stunned early naturalists when they first discovered it. Number 2. Sleep champions of the animal kingdom. Sloths sleep an average of 15 to 20 hours a day in the wild. That's nearly the entire day spent in peaceful, energy-saving slumber. Interestingly, sloths in captivity tend to sleep less, sometimes only 10 hours. Maybe because they don't have to spend as much energy finding food, or maybe they're just bored. Fun fact, sloths often sleep upside down and curl into themselves like a fuzzy cocoon. Number 1. Not as defenseless as you think. Sloths may seem like easy prey, but they're not totally helpless. They have razor-sharp claws and can bite if cornered. Their strong grip and ability to fall from 100 feet without injury make them surprisingly tough. Fun fact, even a jaguar thinks twice before taking on a full-grown adult sloth face-to-face. From algae-covered fur to ancient giants, sloths are far more than lazy tree dwellers. They're uniquely adapted survivors with incredible biology. If you've enjoyed this slow but stunning countdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our next top-notch adventure into the wild. Drop a sloth emoji in the comments if you made it to the end, and let us know which fact surprised you the most. Thanks for watching TopNotch Countdown. Until next time, stay curious and take it slow.